Hey everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So do me a favor before we get started, hit this like button. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss the episode. Also, click the link below, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see the word petitions, sign it, and donate. So today we're going to talk about the stock market, how to invest. So I'm not going to get into the specifics of it, but you know that you do not put all of your eggs in one basket. If you are looking for specifics, say that you are new to investing, I encourage you to join our investing group. Check out that link below. Investing is important to building your wealth, as you know. However, it is not the end all be all. So investing is a long-term deal. I mean, years and years and years and years. Therefore, including other things within the investing is important. Options trading, for example, or any other kind of trading. I decided to ask Siri a question. Hey Siri, how many traders are there in the world?
Okay, I found this on the web for how many traders are there in the world. Check it out.
So according to Siri, there are 9.6 million traders. Can you believe that? 9.6 million. They're not going to say anything to you. All of this is a secret. But can you believe that there is that many people? So this is according to what Siri is stating. So it really doesn't matter what other people is doing. It just depends on what you decide to do. But I just think it's interesting how all of this is going on around you and nobody is saying anything to you about it. Do you think that's interesting? I do. So doing something like trading along with long-term investing, it's good. Keep in mind, this is not advice, just information. For instance, I made $849 today in one day trading. And this is just the beginning. So imagine learning something like that. People all around you, and they're hoping that you never find out. So I'm going to talk about what's going on in the stock market in general. In general, what's trending. NVDA is trending today. So NVIDIA, it hit its record high. There are Goldman Sachs analysts that predicted a price target range of 800. So currently it's at 704. They're predicting a price target of 800. This is Goldman Sachs analysts, people that analyze stocks. Goldman Sachs is one of them. Also, Bank of America also has a department of analysts, and they predicted the price would be raised to 800 for NVIDIA. So this is based on the conclusion that we have a robust AI server demand, and there's improving GPU support. In other words, support for the chips. So NVIDIA earnings will take place Wednesday, February 21st. So the latter part of February, NVIDIA will have their earnings. So besides NVIDIA, Palantir is also in the media. So Palantir soared 32%. All right. So earnings are ahead for several companies to include Alibaba, PepsiCo, Disney, Palantir, McDonald's, and Ford, to name a few. And so those companies, they go up and they look at their profits, they looked at what they expected to make, and then what they actually made to decide if they beat earnings or not. So those companies are up, um, to name a few. All right. So this is what is going on in the stock market. If you are not in the stock market, if you are interested in getting into the stock market, check out the link below and consider getting into the stock market. Learning more about what the stock market is, learning how compound interest works, and also some good things to invest in that will build your wealth. So, long-term investing is good, but you want to add additional things to that, especially if you are looking for money like right now. Your right now money is building a business, building businesses. Very important. That, along with learning how to trade if you decide to do that. Some people decide, and then some people just want to just invest. So there is a way, like if you're not interested in the day to day, what's going on day to day, and you just want to live your life, there is a way to just set it and forget it and then just go enjoy your life. Right? Me, however, I am interested in the day to day, what's going on. So it depends on what your interest is. And this is a stock market. So do me a favor before you leave. I need for you to hit this like button if you are not a subscriber. I need for you to do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you won't miss episode. Also, very important, I need for you to click this pinned link. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You will see the word petitions. I need you to sign it. If you choose to sign anonymously, you can do that. Also, donate. There's an event coming up relatively soon with this much media attention. But it is a big, huge event. It is a big crime going on that is being hidden from the public. And it's easy to hide things from the public when your media is controlled. So obviously our media is controlled. So it's very easy to hide things. All right. So there's a crime going on that is being hidden. Right. So check out this event to see what I am talking about and sign that petition. All right. Again, if you are not in the stock market, this is a great time to get in. Right. The best time to get in was 30 years ago. Second best time to get in is now. As you know, you don't put all your eggs in one basket. People have a lot of other things going on besides investing, right? So people have investing. Um, some people get it early, some people get it late. Um, Real estate, people buying property, and then businesses. And then some people are doing what you see here, which is YouTube. So people are doing different things, not putting all their eggs in one basket. All right. But what it really depends on is what you decide to do, what is in your heart to do. All right. So do me a favor before we leave. I need for you to hit this like button. All right. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and notification bell next to it so that you will not miss an episode. Also, leave some comments and let me know what you would like to see in the future. I kind of have an idea what you want to see, but I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not. The purpose is building wealth for this channel. All right. Um, but balance, the complete picture is important. The balance. So it's not just wealth, right? It's the whole picture. All right, do me a favor before you leave. Hit that like button. All right, have a good day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.